Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican Escovitch Fish. First and foremost, big up Father God away. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the Escovitch Fish. So these are the fish that I'm going to escovitch, and this is red snapper fish. Them already scaled, just need to wash them with lime and vinegar. So here, I'm going to use one medium carrot. I'm going to use a small onion, one stalk of scallion, and garlic to burn in the oil. Here, I have one yellow sweet pepper, one green sweet pepper. Here, so I'm going to use a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to use some pimentos. Here, these are the peppers I'm going to use. I'm just going to use 3 of them. I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoning to season the fish them. I'm going to use some white vinegar as well. This the oil I'm going to use, corn oil. So here, just going to wash it with the lime and vinegar. So inside very clean, as you can see. Okay, now that the fish them wash, before me season them, I'm going to dry them with paper towel. So you want to dry off all the water off of them so that when you fry them, the water with the oil don't mess up your stove. So you dry properly. Now I'm going to cut 2 slices on each side just for the seasoning to marinate inside of the fish. Fish them. Not too deep. If you go too deep, when you take up the fish, it's going to break. Now I'm going to season it. You want to make sure the seasoning go inside the cut them where you make, okay? So it could marinate inside the fish. You also want to season inside. So this is it for the fish them seasoned to perfection, inside out. Now I'm going to put them to the side. Now I'm going to prep all the ingredients for the escovitch sauce. You have to make sure you wash off the peppers them properly. So first I'm going to peel the carrot. I'm just going to use half of this carrot. It's only 2 fish. I don't need a lot. So I'm going to slice it down like this. Turn it around. Now I'm going to cut them in julienne strips. This should be enough. I cut like this. For the onion, I'm just going to cut it in rings. This should be enough. So this the pan I'm going to fry the fish them in. I'm going to add the oil. Now to the oil, I'm going to add the scallion, garlic, one pepper. Okay, now I'm going to put the fish them in the pot. Okay, now I'm going to make them fry for 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side. So my stove is on medium, not too high. So the fish them been frying for 6 minutes now. Now I'm going to turn them over. You want to take your time. Now I'm going to make them fry for 6 more minutes. Okay, so the fish them fry to perfection now. Them fry for 12 minutes. Going to remove them from the pot. Now I'm going to make the escovitch sauce. I'm just going to take out like 2 tablespoons of this oil. Now to the oil, add the sweet peppers, onions and carrots. Add the pimento, Scotch bonnet pepper. Turn the stove on low. Season with my all-purpose seasoning. A little bit of sugar. 1 cup white vinegar. Now I'm going to allow it to continue cook for 3 minutes on the stove. Okay, this is it. Escovitch picker finish. Turn off the stove. Just take it and add it to the fish like this. So here you have it, my people, Jamaican Escovitch fish. Now I'm going to have one of them. Go for a bite. It's hot. Mmm. So good, my people. So let me know in the comment what would you eat this Escovitch fish with. And thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.